Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app. And here, after it loads, as it opens up, in the bottom you find the register now button. If you tap on this, then it's going to open up a page in Chrome where you can enter your data, your name, your email address, the password, and select whether you want to get news about men's, women's fashion trends, or want to get recommendations about these things. And then by tapping register, you can create your account. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.